Hey guys, and welcome back to Misha's Corner. So today I'll be finally making the chili recipe, so let's get started. Alright you guys, so these are the spices you'll need. You're going to need Spicy Girl My Spice. You can get my spice at www.mishascorner.com. You're going to need some chili powder, some liquid smoke. You're going to need some limes, some pepper. All of this is not that many spices, but they bring massive flavor. So that's why I'm using those ingredients. You're also gonna need some cilantro, some black beans, some diced tomatoes and green peppers and onions, some stewed tomatoes. I suggest getting the tomatoes that have extra steps to them, like stewed or with peppers and onions, just to add extra flavor to your chili. Some golden white corn, some brown sugar, black beans, of course. I truly apologize for my screen moving around like that. I don't know what's going on, but anyway. Also, you're going to need some Corona, which is my extra little touch, and some salsa. So here I'm just chopping all the vegetables up, and I'll come right back once I'm done chopping. Okay, so finally the fun part. You want to start searing off your ground turkey. Again, you can use beef. However, Texas had a recall in beef, so I opted for turkey. So you want to sear this off, cook it down, brown it. Next, you want to add your peppers, jalapeno, onion, and garlic. Put all of it down in there. The garlic is not going to burn. We already have the meat in there going and everything, so it won't burn. Don't worry about that. So now we're going to season this up. We're going to use a couple tablespoons of both spices, which is my spice, Spicy Girl, 2 tablespoons, and the chili powder, 2 tablespoons. However, during the tasting process, I added more Spicy Girl later on as it was cooking. So make sure you taste your food, guys, especially for salt and pepper. Right here, I added my brown sugar. You're going to add some flour. Yes, I'm adding flour. I know someone's going to try to drag me, but I'll take it. It's nothing. I need flour in mine. So now you're going to add your Corona. Add your Corona, guys, all up down in there. It's going to bring extra flavor and a little tang in the back of your chili. So since we're cooking this in a slow cooker, you want to add your meat and beer mixture down in there. Then we're going to add all the tomato products, just like you see me doing here. And your black beans. You're also going to add your liquid smoke, not a lot, just like a teaspoon of it. Your salsa, not a lot of that either. I just like that vinegar taste in the back of the salsa, and that's why I used it. Also, you want to add some chicken stock. You can use beef stock with turkey stock. I'm using chicken stock. Mix that up. Catch that later in about 4 hours on high. 3.5 hours in, this is when we're going to add the corn. Now, I added the corn, cilantro, and lime last minute because I wanted the flavor to still hang around at the end. You know, if you had put the cilantro and lime in the beginning, you wouldn't have tasted it. You wouldn't taste it, you know, once it's done cooking. So 30 minutes under, I'm going to add cilantro, the corn, and the lime. So it could be nice and bright even after 30 more minutes of cooking. Alright guys, so this is the chili. First of all, the house smells amazing, and this chili looks so good in real life. Like, seriously. These are the toppings I'm gonna use. I'm gonna use these tortilla strips, sour cream cheese, lime wedges, and jalapeno. But you can switch it up and use what you prefer. So now I'm just going to build my bowl, and then we're gonna get into this mukbang. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye. Hey guys, alright, so I'm about to try this chili. This is my first time actually having chili. I don't think anyone's gonna believe me, but as much as I've eaten American food, I've never had chili. And I'm dead serious. Look at this. Ooh, I don't want to make a mess. It's not soupy, it's really thick, but you know. Let's get into the tea. Ooh, this cheese done melt. Look at this. Ooh. Ooh. I still got my lime zest down in here. I need to take them out, but let me take it first. I got the sour cream, the cheese, and the tortilla strip. I'm gonna put one right on top. Hold on. Y'all, look at this chili with this cheese and sour cream and tortilla strip. I got the rest of my Corona recipe, 2 cups of Corona. Now look at me, I can't even get it. Ooh. Ooh, child. I'm sorry, y'all. It's good. All right, so let me dissect. First of all, what I taste for me as a cook, as a chef, what I taste the tang from this Corona beer. No bitter flavor, no beer flavor. You're not gonna get drunk. It doesn't taste like beer. You're not gonna taste beer. But from cooking with alcohol for so many years and being a chef, I know this is what put that little tang in the back. So I used turkey, and the turkey turned out pretty great, actually. So it was a great substitute. The corn added an extra bite of sweetness because, you know, we used all those tomato products. You need that little sweetness in the back. The black beans are super tender because we cooked it for the 4 hours. Oh, this is delicious, y'all. Excuse me. It's good. Oh, child, it's so good. Look at this bite. It's lunchtime, by the way, and I was hungry. I couldn't wait for it to be over. One regret I do have is not adding more meat. I think that if you guys make it, I think you should add another half a pound of turkey, or even a whole pound will work for this recipe. So even if you use 1 pound or 2 pounds, it's accessible for 2 pounds of meat. So I'm gonna make sure I put that in the description. If you wanna use 1 pound, that's fine. I'm fine with it, but I wish I want it more meaty, you know? However, I'm gonna put the recipe for 2 pounds of meat. However, if you don't want that much meat, just put 1 pound. I want a piece of jalapeno on here. And the tortilla strip. The sour cream done melted. Ooh, oh hell no. I got to get this camera closer. Y'all, look at this. Ooh. Ooh.